My people, welcome back. Yes, so young man, he used a walking stick for make money for satisfy a woman. He used a manhood, my people, for money for satisfy this girlfriend way una dey see am, my beautiful people. Yes, another matter be say this one will be stranger things, my people. Una know he's like a brother to me. He's like a brother to me where he don't lead to marriage, where eventually he don't lead to the fruit of the womb for bouncing baby boy, my people. But before we want dive inside the matter, you're welcome. If na your first time, I beg do well for grab your popcorn. Don't forget for subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like the video. With any subscriber, thank you. Now we go listen what happen with that young boy where he use in manhood, my people.
Say yes now. Say yes now.
Just accept you.
What do you want? Like, are you okay?
Somebody's supposed to
Stand up.
Are
you okay?
You don't have to say yes.
Guy,
Say
stand
yes
up.
now, babe. Why you like this?
Guy, I mean this guy.
Stand up for you.
Stand up.
Don't do like that. Alpha, chill, bro. Chill. Come on, let's do calm down now, because of who that get. No, this girl. I exchange my mouth for money for this girl, but not God. Betty, God, why me?
My beautiful people, when I say make we leave matter for Matthias, now which kind matter be this way we supposed to leave for Matthias? We not feel leave this one. Una don't hear what we don't come out for happen, my people. This girl we una the years or una the see so in name na Betty, and this boy we in need na her boyfriend, na her lover. Una know my babe, my boo things. Yes, una sabi how the matter dey. So this boy he don't actually say he walking stick for ritual. He don't give a walking stick for oil money, my people, so that he go get money for take satisfy this girl in needs. Una know say this Android generation, my people, iPhone 12 Pro Max generation, they want to be like their mates, they want to be like their friends, they want get human hair. Una know they want buy big phones, they want get big dresses. Una know how the situation dey now. But now you the date na young boy where they struggle, boy where himself he not get his own for chop. How you want to fit your bills? How you want to buy your iPhone 12 Pro Max, my people? Now with this boy, he go use he walking stick, my people. He go give him out, say make them give him money in exchange for a walking stick, because say he won't make this babe, make the babe happy. Now with this boy, now he don't carry this girl go for public place. He no say do it, my beautiful people. This in babe go accept him, because he no say now because of him where he give him he walking stick for outside. Now because of him where he take him manhood, my people, he give him for outside because of money, and he use walking stick because now no say this one na YouTube, or my people, they no want some kind words them. So when they talk say walking stick, wanna understand say now in between when I know that third leg for man picking na where I they refer to. Now this boy they cry. He say, oh, why me? Say this baby will just come off for reject me. So I don't sell my walking stick or for get money for fit her bills. Today she they deny me. My people, wait till not think about this whole matter. Wait till you they no go do this day of today. My people, because of relationship, because of girlfriend, you don't go say your manhood now. Now the girl he don't deny to marry you because say you know if you give her pikin. She they ask and can you give me a baby? You know if you give am baby, you don't give your manhood out because say you want take money for take satisfy her, where eventually she don't leave you with the money, and you where you get the problem. Now where you know if you give her picking or another woman picking. My people, wait to not think about this video. This girl wicked, sha. You accept make you go do this kind of thing, but yet you deny for marry him. You begin the damaged person. He begin say, who go marry him for you, my people? My people, this matter touch me. Now say make I run jeje. I bring her for una see him. Make una tell me to wait una think about this whole matter, my people. Say this youth them for today. They no one follow advices for older people, that they do things where they're not supposed to do, my people. What kind of attitude is this? Now you don't lost manhood, you don't lost woman. Okay, my beautiful people. Una Sabina, Rosy More, and Olakunle Churchill, yes, matter for, he's like a brother to me. Matter for, when I hear you people say I have an affair with Mr. Churchill, it's very irritating because he's like a brother to me. My people, now remember now, the marriage of recent, my people. Yes, today they don't bring her out say una see the Porsche so. My people, una see the moto, una see the Lexus so. Now Olakunle Churchill, he give his wife Rosy as a push gift because he just come out for give him a bouncing baby boy. My people, wait till not think about that. That is Olakunle Churchill. He just see the matter sweet in chest. Say, my wife cannot just give me a child and I not give and gift, my people. He was so happy. We go read the caption where he put them. He said, it is a moment of bliss and celebration to us as I announce the coming of King Churchill Jr. From my formative years, I have always had the royal tag of king for my kids to be greater than the father. Ahead of the Mother's Day, I say a big congratulations to my lovely wife for this great testimony. This decision I made 2 years ago is not a mistake but a divine ordination. My little king, welcome to the world, my people. When I don't hear as he take him, he take appreciate my people. Now even the mommy for the pikin, he come out outside, he say, the first day of your life was the best day of mine. Welcome, King Churchill Jr. You are my greatest blessing and pride. Thank you for making me a mother. God is involved, my people. This one will be mock when I wait to you. This same Olakunle Churchill way, he be comot, he make jejeje for outside, my people. He make noise. Now in this now, he don't be a father of 2. He gets one with Tonto Dikeh, he gets one with Rosy, my people. Then he name him say na Junior, say na King Churchill Jr. Wetin happen with Tonto Dikeh e pikin, my people, on a competition wey they do for King because make una no forget say this our Nollywood actress Tonto Dikeh e pikin na King Andre Dikeh. My people, na kingship we dey inside. The matter dey hot or na say Tonto Dikeh, he be name he pikin after where he be don live for Churchill. He know say Churchill want make he pikin them. They bear the name King or na only coincidence, my people. What you not think about them? As for Rosy and Mr. Churchill, I congratulate una plenty yo. At least now no man no go talk say it's my brother, my people. I go leave this video for you. Wait till una think about it. Make una not forget for subscribe. Make una not forget for like the video, share, and I go see una for my next video. I love una plenty.